Hi my friends, welcome back to Cozy Home. New Year's is just around the corner and here's a great time to start fresh. What a better way to do this is to give your home a thorough clean, and I'm here to help you guys out by giving you guys a few tips that you guys could try this year of 2023. What are some of your goals? If you have any, please leave them down in the description below. Also, if you're new here, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my. Here are the steps that I recommend. Make a game plan on how you want to attack your cleaning for this new year. If you plan on cleaning it through one whole week or throughout the month, or just pick a day, however you guys are doing that, just pick what you want and then you put your time frame and just kind of block it off, so then it's like okay, and you're getting yourself motivated. So make sure you guys have your cleaning supplies and anything you guys will need. Number 2 tip is to hire someone to clean those hard areas to clean. Maybe you hate cleaning the oven, so have someone come in and just clean the oven. Or if you don't want to clean the bathroom and it needs a really good deep clean, have someone come in and do that. So number 3 tip is to clear the clutter. Clutter makes a home look even more messy or not clean at all. So maybe you go through one room each day and clean it out and clear the clutter that you maybe haven't been using this year, or you're just ready for a new change. Let's just clutter it out. If you could donate it, that's an awesome thing. Or if it needs to just get pitched, just throw it in the garbage. Okay, number 4 cleaning tip I'm going to give you guys is to make your own natural cleaners. I've been going through it slowly, learning how to make natural cleaners, and so far I'm loving the ones that I'm doing. I have an all-purpose cleaner that I like to use. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below, and I also on my channel have some recipes that I had shared with you guys, some laundry soaps and other things, so make sure you guys go check out that video. And another tip is don't forget to clean those hard to reach areas, like above the kitchen cabinets, above the door frames, the vents, and things like that. And the last tip that I like to give you guys is to enlist some help. Have your kids help you guys, your spouse or a friend or somebody. If you have someone to come and help you, maybe you can help them out in a certain area that they would like. And then you guys could just be able to have a great time sharing cleaning. And if you also need any motivation, just check out my channel. I have different types of cleaning, and I hope you guys enjoy this 2023 cleaning tips, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.